Hello baker friends. Today I am making gluten-free shortbread. So I've had this shortbread recipe for years and I always made it with regular all-purpose flour. The last year or so I have been gluten-free. So I am transforming my recipes into gluten-free recipes. So today I am making shortbread and I'm going to do it the gluten-free way. So this is what we're doing. We've got 2 sticks of salted butter. I've got my 1-to-1 baking flour. I've got my sugar. Let's see if I can. That's actually a 1/2 cup and plus 2 tablespoons. I've got my homemade vanilla, and I'm going to add some sour cream for a little bit more moisture. Actually, I am adding the vanilla and the sour cream to add extra moisture. So let's get to it. Okay, so I have the oven preheated to 350 degrees and I have my baking dish lined with parchment paper, which if you can see I've cut this way it fits in there properly, and I did spray some cooking spray beneath it so it would stick. Here we go with our salted butter, 2 sticks, room temperature. Let's get that creamed with the sugar. Okay, now I'm going to scrape down the sides of the creamed butter and sugar. And then I am going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and a tablespoon of the sour cream. So I've added my 2 cups of flour, and I'm going to keep an eye on this to make sure that it comes together and it's not dry. So I've mixed it completely and it does not look dry. It actually looks nice and moist. So I am going to allow this to sit for a good 10 minutes so that the moisture can absorb into the gluten-free flour, and then we're going to put it in our baking sheet and bake it. All right, I've got my batter dough spread in the bottom of the pan, and now I'm going to put it into the oven. It bakes at 350 for approximately 30 minutes. It just depends on your oven. These shortbread bars came out absolutely delicious. Buttery and perfect, just like my original version.